Marhaba. Let's talk about some simple pronouns. I and me is أنا. أنا for both male and female. I love Arabic. أنا بحب العربي. Who wants to eat? مين بده ياكل؟ Me. أنا. You is Enta when talking to a male, and Enti when talking to a female. Are you okay? أنت منيح? For a female, you say Enti منيحة. She is He.yeh. He.yeh. She is hungry. He.yeh جوعانة. He is Ho.weh. Ho.weh. He is hungry. Ho.weh جوعان. Them is Ho.meh. Ho.meh. Coming from the word hum in Fusha. But in Levantine, it's Ho.meh, which is what this channel is teaching. Us and we is نحن. نحن. Also coming from the Fusha word نحن. In Levantine, as I said, easier on the tongue. نحن. We are hungry. نحن جوعانين. And the last one is pointing to a group of people. All of you is Entu. All of you are learning Arabic. انتوا عم تتعلموا عربي. انتوا عم تتعلموا عربي. And keep doing so as I can see you improving. Salam.